This basketball has no air, and it's just like a real one. Wilson is creating a 3D printed basketball that doesn't use any air. There's a variety of reasons that this is a good idea, and we'll go over those now. Made perfectly every time. Wilson unveiled this engineering marvel at the 2023 NBA All-Star Game. This airless ball is 3D printed in one piece. It has the same size and weight of a regular basketball. It is not assembled like a traditional basketball, and therefore it can be made perfectly every time. You won't ever have to worry about inflating this basketball with air either. The cost to make this basketball will also be much cheaper than a regular basketball. Rigorous testing. It's a see-through basketball that doesn't need to be inflated. The 3D printing makes it a perfect sphere every time. Once the initial prototype was completed, the basketball was taken to a facility for rigorous testing, including getting hit with a baseball bat really hard. The ball will most likely last longer than a normal basketball as well. Wilson worked with a company EOS that works with rocket ships. When will we see it? The ball needs to be used in some actual basketball games to see if it works, the same as a regular rubber basketball. If it is found to work the exact same as a regular basketball game, then I don't see any reason why this won't be used because it is the same size and weight as a normal basketball. Would you buy this basketball?